Imagine this. You wake up, scroll your phone, eat vibes for breakfast, and somehow still expect your brain to produce high-performance output like a Fortune 500 intern on caffeine. Meanwhile, someone else out there woke up, drank water like it's a personality trait, did a 10-minute stretch, wrote 3 goals, crushed their to-do list, and is now reading a book about quantum physics just because. And you're like, bruh, how are they operating at DLC level while I'm still in tutorial mode? Here's the truth. The science of being productive? Not that hard though, but nobody tells you the real cheat codes. People think productivity is about being disciplined. Wrong. It's about engineering your brain like a piece of expensive software. So let's break down the scientifically illegal hacks that make you look freakishly productive, even if your natural instinct is to procrastinate like it's a love language. Science says your environment controls up to 70% of your actions. What does that mean? It means you don't have a motivation problem. You have a layout problem. You can't expect your brain to work when your phone is buzzing like a beehive, your desk looks like a crime scene, your apps are begging for attention, your environment screams, procrastinate, my child. So here's the move. Action 1, hack your environment. Most people wake up like, who am I? What year is it? Why did someone send me a reel about a cat dancing? You already lost. Here's what high performers do. And yes, this is backed by neuroscience. No phone for 20 to 30 minutes. Drink water immediately. Move your body. 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Sunlight exposure or bright light if cloudy. Write 3 things you will accomplish today. Why does this work? Because you're aligning your cortisol spike, dopamine baseline, and prefrontal cortex activation in the first hour of waking. In English, you're turning your brain on instead of pushing it into sleepwalking mode. Action 2. Wake up and win. Real productive work happens in 90 to 180 minutes of uninterrupted focus. Not 10 hours of multitasking, not 27 microtasks, not I'm working but also scrolling. So here's your productivity matrix move. Pick one task, put on headphones, shut down every distraction, set a 90-minute timer, enter monk mode, break for 10 minutes, repeat. Congratulations, you're now outputting more work than the average person does in an entire day. Action 3, deep work blocks. Teach your brain to enter focus mode automatically. You know how certain songs bring back memories? Your brain looves associations. So create focus triggers that signal your brain. We're entering beast mode. Examples, same playlist, same seat, same hoodie, same candle scent, same white noise track, same drink, same desk setup. Do this consistently, and your brain will slip into focus automatically, like a productivity Pavlov dog, but without the drooling. Action 4. Build focus triggers. Your brain hates big tasks, but it loves tiny ones. So when you don't want to start, say, I'll just do 1 minute. 1 minute. Open the document. Read the prompt. Write a sentence. Solve one problem. Clean one corner. You're not trying to work. You're trying to start. And once you start, momentum kicks in. Dopamine rises. Your energy increases. You enter the productivity cycle without even trying. Action 5. Gamify your progress. Your brain is addicted, absolutely addicted, to visible progress. Dopamine spikes not when you finish the task, but when you see progress. So use checklists, progress bars, streak trackers, habit counters, whiteboards, reward systems, color-coded tasks. Every tiny visual win gives your brain a hit of "we're doing great" chemicals, which fuels more work. This is neuroscience, not stationary aesthetic. Visual progress keeps your brain engaged. Boredom won't stop you. Seeing results will. Action 6. Energy first, not time. Your problem isn't time management. It's energy management. Because productivity tanks when you're sleep-deprived, dehydrated, stressed, undersunned, mentally cluttered, overwhelmed, screen fatigued, but energy rises when you hydrate, move a little, get sunlight, take breaks, eat real food, breathe deeply, journal before bed. More energy equals more focus. More focus equals more results. More results equals momentum. Momentum equals no one can stop you. You can have all the hours in the world, but low energy equals low output. Energy management is the real productivity hack. Protect it, guard it, respect it. Without it, all systems fail. Action 7. Theme your days. Multitasking is a lie. Neuroscience is brutally clear. You can't focus on 2 demanding tasks at once. You can only switch rapidly and lose 20 to 40% efficiency every time. This is why you feel brain fog when you jump between tabs. Your brain is constantly rebooting focus mode. So the rule is simple. 1 task, 1 window, 1 goal, 1 finish line. You'll get 3 to 5 times more done. Guaranteed. Action 8. Start small, spin the cycle. Your attention span is constantly under attack. Not by people, not by your schedule, but by your phone. 1 ding equals 23 minutes to regain full focus. 1 scroll equals dopamine crash. 1 notification equals self-sabotage. So here's the firewall. Phone outside the room, silent mode, lock screen removed, black and white mode, uninstall dopamine apps, Social media folder equals distractions. App timers set like budget cuts. Motivation often comes after action, not before. 1 minute of work triggers dopamine. Finish a tiny task, and suddenly the next one is easier. This starts a positive loop. Work, dopamine, motivation, more work. Even if you feel like doing nothing, starting small is enough to kickstart the machine. Action 9. Use micro breaks wisely. Tired, confused, distracted? Step outside, walk, change scenery. 1 minute reset can double your focus. Small intentional breaks aren't wasted time. They're turbo fuel for your productivity cycle. Productivity isn't about motivation or willpower. It's about systems, triggers, and energy. Once you master this, your brain will do the work for you. Becoming consistent sounds impossible until you set the right triggers. Then you'll see it's not that hard though.